ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Ghania Tokwe Fajingbisi. I'm from Baltimore, Maryland. The platform, as you well know, is an annual gathering of Nigerian Muslims organized by the National Council of Nigerian Muslim Organizations. And this year's event is holding in Los Angeles, California. We're in the beautiful Westin Hotel. But it's not just the beauty of the hotel that we're looking at. We're going to be looking at the beautiful lectures. We're going to be looking at children, reciting the Quran. I'm particularly excited about hearing children reciting the Quran.
على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا.
تكبير الله. Chicago sister Atiya Ibrahim.
Islamic religion has been taken to another level. It's been fun, it's been educative, it's been thrilling, it's been amazing. Seeing 14, 15-year-old boys and girls memorizing the Quran is amazing. So I really thank God for the organizers. I really thank God for the National Council of Nigerian Muslim Organization, USA. They are doing a good job.
She was so dead right, because the basics that we ignore, the basics that sometimes we don't even know the importance of it. Let me go linguistically, because that's my language. I'm a linguist by nature. Quran said, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَإِذَا حُيِّيتُم بِتَحِيَّةٍ فَحَيُّوا بِأَحْسَنَ مِنْهَا أَوْ رُدُّوهَا.
So the ayah continues to tell us, subhanAllah, this ayah, when I look at it, it makes me feel and see the love and the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. ذَلِكَ أَدْنَى أَنْ لَا يُعْرَفْنَا فَلَا يُؤْذَيْنَ. The continuation of the ayah, Allah is giving us the reason why we should cover her.
I don't have mother. I don't know too much of how mother runs the children. So she's training me now. If you don't get anything out of my jokes, please practicalize some of it. It might be a strange thing when you introduce it to your spouse. And to go in and or what they told me, then when I sit down, I can't keep my wife who go like the last one.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. What you say when you are believing or you have a child, so something that is bad. So that's -20 for Asarudi Houston.
Torí pé ìtọ́ka ìjọ kan ṣoṣo Ọlọ́run gbé sórí ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan gbogbo ẹni kọ̀ọ̀kan wa. Lahu ayatun tadullu ala annahu al-wahid. Gbogbo nǹkan kọ̀ọ̀kan tí ń bẹ láyé ló ní àmì tí ń tọ́ka wípé Ọlọ́run ọba ọ̀kan ṣoṣo ni. Ká fi ṣe àtẹ̀wò pé ká rí pé ìlọsíwájú bá ìmánì wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbékalẹ̀ platform ní ọdún 2014 pé ká move sí next step.
Whose dominant question is, why are we here? Why are we here? Islam is concerned largely with the question. I intend to base my khutbah then upon the 7 ayat of the Quran that I have recited earlier. First, let's address the question, what is extremism?
These 5 golden messages will explain further the verse that was read by my son. All the Hufaz of the Quran, I'm always proud of them. What is the message? Number 1. هبط جبريل على النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم ذات يوم وقال له يا محمد عش ما شئت فإنك ميت. We have attended different lectures, different groups, all are geared towards uplifting our iman. But today we are living, it's as if the organizers are telling you that, well, we have done our own path. Ishma Shaitan, go back to a different place. Ishma Shaitan, live your life the way you want. Just to remember that as Muslims, it is not about this life. It is the hereafter. فَإِنَّكَ مَيِّتٌ. One day, definitely there will be one day that I will be late, whatever my name is. فَإِنَّكَ مَيِّتٌ. Just know that. Just note that. That one day, I will be no more.
One, I'm going my mic, okay. One, I don't even know how to do this, but I'm gonna try, right? We them boys! Oh, sorry. You know, I don't listen to radio anymore. Oh, sorry, no. Which one are we doing? Oh, somebody give me a song.
Thank you, Diddy. We appreciate you.
We're gonna get on with the next act.
We appreciate you.
That name challenge.
We love you.
It's for anybody.
Thank you.
See me in the corner.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, you already answered one of the questions, which is securities. And the one question is about the help desk. Are you going to be having some group in case there is a problems on using it or the support? I'm talking about the support days or whatever to you guys. That's one question.
If we call you to come to our chapters, Masjid, will that be considered in order to help us out how the price is going to be? That's one. Okay. Second, every year we meet like this during this time. Inshallah. I know when we meet like this will help us even on our communication before we even get to where we're going to. And we go to different cities. So will that be able to help us again to carry this everywhere we go? As people coming in, they be able to register on it. And our doctor here, they are doing a lot of work. So to give them a leeway.
Rotate backward. And now 3 counts. It's very good to straighten your arm. Very good. 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
We will have to do, we need to separate ourselves. That's the first thing we're going to have to do. Then we'll need to eat, and then we'll need to load the bus, and then we'll have to go to the outing. So right now, the primary thing is we need everybody to stay within this hall.
Well, my name is Kabira Abuye. I am from Houston. I am a APC exec. This platform was stressful, but alhamdulillah, it was fruitful. It was successful. Everyone enjoyed themselves, and it was a pleasure.
Salam alaikum, brother.
Wa alaikum salam to Allah.
What's your name?
Kamaldeen.
Allahu Akbar. Which chapter are you from?
I'm from Dallas.
You're from Dallas?
Yeah.
Have you ever been to any of this platform program before?
No, this is my first time.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
How did you know about platform?
In our mocks, they told me about platform that is always fun and exciting, and you get to meet friends and have mixed with others from different states. So I decided to come this year.
Allahu Akbar. Salam alaikum, sister.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
What's your name?
Sophia Lawal.
Allahu Akbar. Which chapter are you from?
California.
California, Hollywood. Now, before now, you've heard about platform program, right?
Yes.
Have you been able to go to any of them before now?
No.
This is your first time?
Yeah.
That is awesome. Now, tell us something that you learn in this program that makes you really happy.
In the lecture, I learned about the 10 companions and how we should copy. Copy them to know about Iman. And I also learned about to be tolerant with people and to be patient. That everyone's not like you. Yeah.
It's good. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Is this your first time coming for this program?
Yes, this is my first time, and I did not regret coming for the program. I really enjoy every little bit of it. It's so encouraging, it's so nice. Ó dẹ̀ tún kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ní ẹ̀kọ́ Islam tó yẹ pé every part of it ló wonderful. I really appreciate it, and from now on I will continue to come.
Akbar Kabira. From what chapter are you from?
Houston chapter.
From Houston?
Yeah.
Akbar.
And I told you this was going to be wonderful, and it has been 4 blessed days, mashallah. It's been amazing. I think it was Houston that came with 17 Hafiz of the Quran, mashallah. And you know, we had children leading us in Salah, 15-year-old, 13-year-old, 12-year-old leading us in Salah. It was really blessed. We had so many wonderful lecturers who taught us so much. You know, I particularly loved the lectures we had after Fajr. It was really amazing. If you missed the platform, I'm so sorry. I hope you mark your calendars for Chicago in 2015, inshallah, biqudratillah. And if you were here and you still want to recap some of the lectures, I hope you get the CDs and continue to lift your iman up. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.